You have a case that you've worked with concerning personal injury in an accident. Why don't you tell us all about that?
Yeah, briefly, our client was riding a motorcycle in a fundraising motorcycle ride, and he got done and was headed home. And as he was proceeding through an intersection, a vehicle turned in front of him and knocked him over and wrecked his bike and basically ripped his leg off. It was still there, but it was barely there. And then the guy drove off. And so he was laying on the ground, and fortunately a tow truck driver stopped and helped him, and we're representing him in the suit against the guy that drove off. Fortunately, he had some friends that went looking for this person because they knew basically what the vehicle looked like. It was a small community up near Gainesville, and they put signs up, and police got involved, and they ran the guy down, and we've got him served, and we've got him sued. And fortunately, there's some photographs we talked about. This is of our client after he had the procedure. Initially, his leg was cut off below the knee, but due to the damage, they had to cut it off above the knee. That's his prosthetic there, and I think that earlier what may have showed, I wasn't watching the motorcycle involved in the accident, but those prosthetic knees, legs, they're very costly, and they only last about 3 or 5 years, so there's a lot of damages in a case like that. Not only you lose your leg, but you have all those medical bills. But super nice client and a good case.
Well, I'm glad it worked out for him, but there's so much that you mentioned in that. So many different crimes were committed. The hit and run, and of course, so many things. Right.
Well, the hit and run gives the possibility of punitive damages, which helps the value of the case. And unfortunately, the insurance company blew that. We made a time limited demand for the policy limits, so we had $25,000 in coverage, and we demanded it. They missed it by a day, so now they're on the hook for hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Wow.
Because the guy had a lawyer early on.